Tired of manually collecting real estate agent contacts from Compass? With LeadStal's Compass Email Finder and Phone Number Scraper, you can build targeted real estate lead lists in just a few clicks. Start by opening any Compass agent search page, location directory listing page, or agent profile. Then click the purple LeadStal Generate Leads button. LeadStal will scan the available Compass listings and collect public agent information into a clean, organized lead table. You can capture agent names, phone numbers, emails when available, websites, locations, brokerage or team details, social links, and other public profile data. Whether you are doing real estate recruiting, sales outreach, marketing, partnerships, or market research, this tool helps you save time and stay organized. Once your leads are ready, simply export everything into a CSV file, then upload it to your CRM, outreach tool, or recruiting pipeline and start working with your data faster. That's it. Open Compass, click Generate Leads, collect public agent data, and export your CSV. LeadStal helps you find real estate contacts faster, cleaner, and smarter.